How can you find out the arrears penalty in this parent invoices dataset? Let me give you some hint. You can find out using the previous balance and pay plan. Hi, in this video we will gonna look about the AND function in Excel, its uses and how many arguments it can take. The AND function returns the boolean value true or false. It provides a true value when all the arguments satisfy the condition, and if any of the argument doesn't satisfy the condition, it provides the false value. And we want to find out the arrears penalty, and the logic is the previous balance should be more than 0 and pay plan is not equal to y. First you will type equal to sign, then write A and B. First logic is the previous balance should be more than 0, as well as the pay plan should not be equal to y. It provided us false value because the pay plan is not equal to y. So that's why. With the help of AND function, we have found the arrears penalty column. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, you can subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.